हंसना यही है तो रोना क्या होता है, पाना यही है तो खोना क्या होता है। इन लम्हों को इन बातों में रह जाने दो, रह जाने दो। मिलना यही है तो बिछड़ना क्या होता है, जीना यही है तो मरना क्या होता है। इन ख्वाबों को इन आँखों में रह जाने दो, रह जाने दो। मुश्किल है जीना मगर जीना तो होता है, रुकना किस्मत है कर पढ़ना भी होता है। इन यादों को इन आँखों से बह जाने दो, बह जाने दो, रह जाने दो, रह जाने दो।
ठीक है ना, तुम वहाँ देख के बोलो। हाँ बोलो।
No, no choice. I had nothing to do in my life. Everybody was a savior.
My experience is to the contrary. I made a choice to join AUD. I got an ISI, but I just decided that I want to join AUD. That's an achievement. Place on earth. So I just joined AUD, and my experience has been fantastic.
They are morons, they are jackasses, and they're Zina.
ये है नशीला बॉय, ठीक है? Now continue.
Okay, in a class of 31 girls and 10 boys, तुम खुद सोचो कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा होगा।
First crush in AUD. Yes, Sakal Manchanda. Yay! See, I'll show you.
Please don't ruin my life. I'm begging you. She used to do this. Yeah. Zoom. That is Man and that is Chanda.
Man and Chanda. Manjanda. Oh my God. कॉलेज की पहली दिन इन्होंने साथ में कदम रखा था क्लास में, आते साथ में, जाते साथ में, खाते साथ में, क्रश भी सेम लोगों पे होते हैं। एक ही पर्सन पे। And that is
Come on.
let's hear from the horse's mouth. Come on. Love you, Arindam sir.
And I would like to tell you something about our class and classmates. Well, now Mohit had a lot of girls around him, a few of guys too. In the initial first 2 semesters, I thought there was Ronak and Sohail, and then there was Ronak and then there was Sohail. Sanchi I won't talk about because as soon as I take her name, she would be crying somewhere out there. So, not crying, I'm really sorry, not crying again. Afzal and Harsh are actually at loggerheads, and you know why males are at loggerheads. Harsh, what can I say about Harsh? Well, there's nothing to say. Afzal is a superstar and the rock star of our class. Yeah, he went to some people and said I look like Saif Ali Khan, and that's why he used to call me Saif. Now, as far as Ravi is concerned, Ravi is the most respectable person in our class.
Because he's the most eldest.
Because he's the eldest one of them. Had he been 2-3 years older, he would have been older than the teachers. Some of the teachers around him. She actually fell down doing a presentation. She got up and she started reading her presentation. Ma'am is asking her, "Beta, are you fine?" And she's not concerned with it. She's like, "Master said that, Jawad said this," and she's going on and on. Anima, and again she was loved by everyone. and when I say everyone, I mean everyone. And she's got a name on presentations and on everything, from student presentations to, you would understand that. Sonali is Sonali. Yeah, lost in ISLM. Whatever you give her, what she does is she starts using ISLM and starts solving it. I don't know how many times she solved it, but Sonali, please, that model was rejected as soon as it was made. Well, there was Pavanpreet and Jasleen. Ravi said it together. I didn't say a word. Whenever she asks a question, sorry Ajita for this, she's like, sir, and she's rocking. Himakshi, I remember, she was cheating and Jyotirmoy sir went to her and he was like, you think I'm a fool? I don't see what you are doing. Just give me a waiver. And she was like, no. And Jyotirmoy said, oh, okay.
MA second year मेरे लिए तो पॉलिटिकल सब डेली पिट्टू खेलते थे और हमने एक पिट्टू मैच फिक्स किया बट उनके एग्ज़ाम के कारण हो नहीं पाया.
So you're the first batch of MA from Ambedkar University. Congratulations on that, and I am sure you are going to be the flag bearers of the MA program in Ambedkar University throughout your careers, and wish you all the best for your good work.
The first MA batch of the university's economics program. All of you will of course have a very special place in the history of this university, and I hope that as you go out to the world, you will be part of the process of establishing this university's position as being a premier institution.
Wish all the outgoing students all the best for all your future endeavors. Have a very good time.
Yours.